Hello. This video is going to cover the information found in the Using the Activity Builder document. I will show you how to create questions using the Activity Builder feature in Smart Notebook. First, you must insert your question and possible answers into the page area. Each answer must be a separate object or have its own text box. For example, what is the capital of Maryland is the question. And Baltimore, Annapolis, Towson, and Columbia are the possible answers. Each of the answers is a separate text item. Next, insert an object that will serve as the activity object. The activity object will either accept or reject other objects when they are dragged over it. This will allow you to create correct or incorrect answers. For example, a rectangle will be used as the activity object. If you choose to use a shape as the activity object, you must fill in the shape with a color using the Fill button. For example, the rectangle will be filled in with green coloring. Rearrange the objects on the page area in the order you desire. Next, you need to move your activity object to the back of the page in order for the Activity Builder to work correctly. Select your activity object, and then select the object's menu arrow. When the menu options appear, select Send to Back. If Send to Back is not an option, then your activity object is already on the back of the page. It is now time to use the Activity Builder. Select the activity object and then select the Activity Builder button on the side tab. The page sorter will disappear and be replaced by the Activity Builder icon. Select the Activity Builder icon. Then select the Edit button. You now need to select which objects will be accepted by the activity object and which will be rejected. Click or tap the correct answer and drag it to the Accept These Objects area. You will notice a green check mark on the corner of the accepted object. Now, click or tap the incorrect answers on the screen to the Reject These Objects area. You will notice a red X on the corners of the rejected objects. Next, you need to set the Activity Object action. Select the Settings tab. Select the Animation drop-down menu under When Accepted Objects Play. Select the type of action you would like to occur when the correct or accepted answer is selected. For example, spin will be used. Select the Animation drop-down menu under When Rejected Objects Play. Make sure Bounce Back has been selected. Once you are finished, select Done. Make sure your presentation is saved at this time. You are now ready to use the activity you just created. Drag one of the incorrect answers over the activity object and release. The incorrect answer bounces back to its original location on the page area. Drag the correct answer over the activity object and release. The correct answer will remain on the activity object and perform the action you selected in the Settings menu. To reset the activity, you can use the Reset Page feature to revert your activity back to the most recent saved state. You can use this feature after your activity has been attempted. Select the View Thumbnails button on the side tab and select the thumbnail of the page you would like to reset. Select the thumbnail's menu arrow and select Reset Page. Select Reset Page again. Your page has now been reset. This concludes the Using the Activity Builder video. Thanks for watching.